Deploying a fleet of Android warehouse scanners used to mean IT staff touching every single device, installing software, configuring settings, connecting to Business Central, and repeating that process at every location. Warehouse Insight's MDM integration with SureMDM eliminates all of that. Scan one barcode and the device is fully configured. Warehouse Insight is installed, settings are applied, and the device is locked to approved applications only. No IT staff on site, no manual setup. From there, your entire scanner fleet is managed centrally, over the air. Push app updates and OS patches to every device simultaneously. Remotely lock or wipe a lost device in seconds. Monitor battery levels and app versions across every location from one web-based console. For multi-location operations, this is where the impact really shows. Pre-enroll devices, ship them directly to any warehouse, and workers are ready to scan on day one. IT managers and operations managers benefit from a deployment process that scales without the overhead. To get started, reach out to your Microsoft partner.